Hey everyone, this is David at Finish Line Factory, and I'm here at Lamborghini Broward for Supercar Saturday, and behind me is a disassembled Huracan. Let's go check it out. Whoa, check this out. So I think this Huracan is getting a exhaust upgrade. So you got a rare look to see everything all taken apart. You can see the exhausts there. They actually use V-bands stock in the factory. I think the Glaros does as well. There you can see this is the oil tank here. Here's the transmission. They're kind of there. You can kind of see it there. I think that's kind of a brace, and this is the frame. Up there you can actually see the sway bar. Let's see if I can, right there. So the sway bar actually connects to huge links all the way down and go across. Let's see. Some cool suspension work there. And these actually come with sort of somewhat adjustable. They say fully adjustable, but I say somewhat adjustable because they don't have a full range of adjustment like most aftermarket coilovers do. What else is up here? It's kind of cool. Yeah, that's the oil tank. You can see the pipes coming in and out. It's kind of cool to see this side. You don't normally see all this stuff. Normally it's all hidden away. So coming outside, got a supercharged Corvette, Dodge Viper. Check out this. I think this is a black badge. It's a massive Rolls Royce. So it's two-tone. The bottom is gloss and the top is like a matte black. It's got a Vorsteiner wing, Vorsteiner body kit. Let's see these wheels. These ADV1 wheels. This thing is sick. Blacked out grille. It's got a very imposing figure. This guy's leaving. There you go, Adam. He's making a bit of noise. Oh, check this out. The intercooler says race. There you go. Beautiful Performante, this color shifting. I don't know if it's a wrap or what. I think that's the actual color. Crazy color shift. You know, it's almost like Midnight Purple 3 on the Skyline GTR. Oh, and it shifts the blue on this side. Oh, that's pretty cool. This is a sick color. $599. Let's check this out. Look at this huge rear diffuser. Just massive and gaping. The next one is a 488. Lamborghini Huracan. It's the friggin' Adam West Bat car. Look at this thing. Check out the interior. Bat antenna activator, Bat rocket launcher. Real cool. Emergency bat turn lever. Oh my God. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 Toyota 2000 GTs here. Here's a convertible one. I think this is is this the one from the James Bond movie? Holy crap. This is beautiful. And it's not a convertible. It's just open. They just cut the roof off. There's no top. And here's these two red ones. We've seen these two before at the dealership. Looks like this might be where they get serviced. And look at this. Oh, this one's also owned by Craig's Inn. So this one. So I think this one and that second red one over there are owned by the same person. Craig's Inn is the owner of the dealership, I believe. Well, not Warren Henry, but other dealerships in South Florida. The Zinn family. Look at this thing. Let's go with the driver was Scooter Patrick. Take a look at the interior. This car was actually used as a race car. In the SCCA, this is pretty cool. Okay, so in 1967, Toyota entered an agreement with Shelby American Racing to develop the 2000 GT for SCCA production competition. Wow. So these cars were actually prepared by Shelby for competition. So I guess that's back before TRD existed. This is friggin' nuts. So I know that each of these two cars each are worth 1.2 million, but that Roadster and this race car, priceless. I have no idea what they're worth. So continuing down the road, looks like we got a Skyline R32 GTR. This is Dave Skyline, and you got a Mini Cooper race car. This is an actual race car used in the Farah series by my friend Victor. Yeah, De Tomaso Pantera, a Classic Alpha, GTV, the Classic 911. Let's check out the rear paddock. No way. 812 Superfast and Giallo Modena.
Why is the sticker still on?
Well, this one's registered with Neil.
This is a beautiful car. Big change over the F12. They got rid of the aero bridge. That's not there anymore. McLaren 650S. Corvette in the back. There are two Alfa Romeo 4Cs, one here and one there. And there are 3 Dodge Demons here. Look at this. So here's an orange one. Looks like it's some yellow tape to the splitter. Ventura coming through. Over here is a red Dodge Demon. 840 horsepower. Here's the yellow one. I spoke to the owner of this car, and they actually bought this car in Atlanta and drove it down on the drag slicks, the drag radials. Look at this. I've seen one earlier, but each one is just pretty damn cool. Got the Demon badge cast into the Supercharger. Huge intake. Check out the interior. You got the Demon logo stitched into the seat. Some other cool stuff. Yeah, it's a full car. It's full interior. Instead of Dodge, it says SRT here. So I guess is this the SRT Demon instead of the Dodge Demon? Who knows? Very cool. These fat 315 tires, front and rear. Whoa! A supercharged Lotus Elise just showed up. Look at this thing, supercharged. Wow, this thing is so small.
Originally, it comes with.
Isn't it a Toyota engine?
Yes, a Toyota engine from built by Yamaha,
Built by Yamaha? Toyota engine built by Yamaha?
and it's supercharged.
Oh.
It's actually this one has the original motor in it. See it from here. That was fun to get in and out of.
Yeah, right?
That's the worst part.
Oh, yeah.
No, I haven't tracked it yet.
Oh, yeah, you have to track it coming out.
Hey,
I just put the big brake cage on there.
Yeah.
I'm a big guy. Want to record me getting in and out? I did it once at a car show, and it was the least dignified thing I've ever done.
Yeah, getting in and out is a pain in the butt. But you know, once you're inside, you can fuck. Yeah. It's like a go-kart. Oh, it's a go-kart.
Okay, I have a chance. I
think it's not much of a height, it's more of the width.
Yeah.
It's super narrow.
I mean, once you're in, it's not that bad.
Especially when you got two like decent sized guys in there, you're like elbow to elbow, right?
Oh no, two big guys.
Like this? Can't see the interior.
Pull up to a gas station.
It's
let
little-
me know what it is or no?
A lot of people don't know what it is.
Little tight.
It's not Lamborghini. Some people think it's a kid car.
AP Racing.
They race car only for a track.
This thing is nuts.
People say, what kind of car is that? Yeah, it's basically.
There's a radiator. This is so freaking cool.
It's all aluminum and fiberglass. Yeah. It weighs 2,000 pounds. How big is this?
All right, so Tyler's gonna attempt to give me a little tutorial. He's gonna attempt to get into the Lotus Elise. So here we go. This is failure number one.
Get into a Lotus Elise.
Lean on the pin, on the bottom. Yeah, that's it.
Oh, what the heck?
You
Come
may
on,
get stuck.
man.
I'm telling you. You may get stuck in there.
You're gonna get stuck. We're gonna need to like lube you up to
Yeah,
get
take
you
the
out.
top off.
Yeah, we need some lube, Tyler.
Not even.
He did it. How is it?
Once you're in, it's not too bad.
This
right?
is wow. You are definitely right. You will get really close with somebody.
That's funny.
It's wait, could you?
No, you won't be able to drive those shoes.
I know, but I was trying to
The
see.
pedals are too close to each other. Yeah. You gotta wear something like this.
Right.
Yeah, I know. I'm just.
Like race car.
Yeah, because the pedals are like this to each other.
So it's a little tight in there, huh?
There's a little tiny steering wheel too.
Yeah, bro.
This is tight. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of tight. I mean,
Now, one leg at a time. Now, you're gonna get out one leg at a time.
the same thing you did.
If you had to remove the steering wheel,
You gotta take that one out. You gotta probably help yourself. There you go. And then kind of sit here. You gotta help you out.
Oh,
I got it.
wait. Hold on.
Don't
Don't touch the roof.
Sorry about that.
no problem. I'm telling you. I warned you. I wasn't playing around.
there you go. All right, so we'll just cut through the little zone here. So they're doing some stuff inside. Today's Floyd's birthday. Floyd is the, I think he's a marketing guy for Lamborghini Broward. So let's go inside and see what's going on.
I actually saw a really nice orange.
Whoa!
Business. They go
Look
Channel
at
7
that.
News right here, bro. Represent.
Yeah, bro, Channel 7. Here's Will from Fast Life Rally.
Where the weather girls at? Where the weather girls at?
Is it raining men? Here's Mike from Signature Auto House. Here's Crystal. Vote for her in the Jet Set thing.
Hey.
Yeah.
That's definitely worthy of a picture.
Wow, that's Floyd.
Oh, there he is. There he is.
Where's the birthday boy?
There he is, the birthday man.
I don't see him. Look at that.
Happy birthday
Hey, to
Happy birthday
all you guys out there. Where's my crew at? Yeah, they know the crew. They know that. They know the crew, but they can't.
Floyd turns 35 today. Happy birthday!
21. Hey,
How old are you? Seriously? Look at that.
this is me in my young days right here. God, that's great. That's great, Floyd. Love you, man. Thank you. That was last year. Hey.
That was last year, right?
So they're transporting the cake. I guess you know, my motto is you go where the cake goes. So. Nice.
You guys did a great job.
I'll take that piece right there. All right, got a slice. Let's give it a try.
It's awesome, dude.
This is some good cake. I'm gonna have to get like a second slice. All right, guys, party's over. Looks like the dealership's winding down, so everyone's going on this little run for Floyd's birthday. So we're gonna head down to Fort Lauderdale Beach and cruise around. So let's go check it out. All right, we made it. Rally's over. We went to BurgerFi. The BurgerFi is near this place, but I followed the Aventador. What else we got here? Huracan Performante. What looks like a Huracan Avio, maybe just a color scheme. Cayman GT4, Dodge Vipers. Who else is out here? Looks like the Rolls Royce came out. Looks like a BMW M6, 458 Speciale, Aventador. All right, well, let's go get some food. We're here at not sure. I think BurgerFi's a little down there.
Yeah, I call you later, we pick it up. Who's going so far? Who's going? Who's going?
Whoever wants to go.
Oh, all right. Ooh, I'm beat up, man, driving that car around, and especially with all the hot weather. It's like 80 degrees, but you know, you have no AC, it sucks. But if you like that video, hit like. I just got home, so if you like the video, hit like, and make sure to subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow at Cars and Coffee.